Hey guys, welcome back to Snapshot Medical Kitchen. Today we're making a quick, like 10-minute easy recipe that's really healthy, nutritious, and just one of my favorites. We're going to be making Cajun shrimp tacos. Shrimp is really good. It has, antioxidants and a lot of omega fatty acids, but it's also super low in calories. You can eat a ton of them and still feel like you're eating a lot but not really having a lot of calories, so it's a really good meal. We're going to be making our own slaw on top with some Chipotle mayo and some cabbage and carrots and all that good stuff. So really quick, like 10-minute recipe. We're going to go ahead, put these shrimp on the electric frying pan in the seasoning, and we'll assemble our tacos. So I hope you guys enjoy.